Cathedral ya All Saints na kasere yugwirweho eine obuhango bukushitamisa abantu barikurenga omu 50 eine bell tower eine oburingwa bwa 55 erimu office za bishop wa Kampala diocese eine emyanya y'okushabiramu ninga chapels omwanya gw'okugurizamu omwani ninga coffee center hamwe n'eibikiro ry'ebitabo.
The new cathedral features several unique architectural elements. It is designed as a post-modern six-sided building, which includes a 45-meter bell tower that echoes architectural features from the old church. And the structure now, the new one that's open today, is 10 times bigger than the cathedral that has converted into a modern church.
Purezidenti Museveni asiimira akakiiko akakurira okwombeka ekanisa egi tahireyo miliyoni 100 kandi baraganise kwari kwija kubongyera biliyoni 1.
I discussed with Mama when we saw the good thing here. I said, ate ffe tukoze eki? Then we agreed that from our cows, not from the government budget, but from our cows, we contribute 100 million shillings. But since you also elected me as president, you remember that issue? Some 3 years ago, you said, Aveo. I will use that authority which you gave me in the new budget of July to contribute 1 billion shillings to the church.
Thank you so much for supporting us to clear the Janani Room Church House debt. Now we are debt free. And we thank you so much, Your Excellency, even for directing the Minister of Finance to compensate us for our land at Entebbe and at Makerere. That would help us out. And I request that the government clears our remaining compensation of 21 billion for Makerere so that we do our mission.
Mukoro nugwo gumwe habireho kwemeka Canon Frederick Jackson Barua nk'omuhezi wa Bishop ojire mbigere bya Hannington Mutebi.
Allow me to appreciate Bishop Hannington Mutebi for the great work he has done.
Omuromo gw'okuhangusa ekanisa egi gukatandika omu myaka ya 1990 bwanyuma y'ekanisa yabireho kufunda kandi ekaba neshutamisa abantu bena bonka. Gasha kwa Sengendo Abdulkarim.